On July 1st, 2025, a telescope in Chile spotted something strange. At first, astronomers thought it might be a distant comet, the kind we see now and then from the outer reaches of our own solar system. But this one was different. It was moving too fast. Way too fast. This object, now named 3I/Atlas, is hurtling through space at a blistering 130,000 miles per hour, 210,000 kilometers per hour. Its speed and hyperbolic trajectory make one thing clear. It's not from around here. This is only the third interstellar object ever discovered, and it might be the oldest comet humanity has ever observed. This cosmic visitor didn't form near our sun. It's a foreigner from another star system, maybe one that no longer even exists. It's been drifting through the dark vacuum of space for billions of years, untouched, unaltered, and full of secrets. It was first spotted by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, a survey telescope based in Chile designed to detect objects that could pose a threat to Earth. But this wasn't a threat. It was something far more intriguing. So what is it? Why is it here now? And what could it mean for us? 3I/Atlas is not your average comet. It's just passing through. It came from interstellar space and will never return. That alone is rare. Only two such objects have ever been observed before. 1I/Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. Its orbital path is hyperbolic, meaning it isn't bound to the sun by gravity. Its strange acceleration, shape, and lack of a visible tail left many puzzled. It has a visible coma, it's shedding material, and it looks more like a standard icy body. But the fact remains, we don't fully understand what these interstellar visitors are. Could it have been a probe? A fragment of alien technology? Scientists estimate that the coma around the object, a glowing cloud of gas and dust released as it approaches the sun, is as much as 24 kilometers wide. That's much larger than Borisov. It probably is. The James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble, and the upcoming Rubin Observatory are all preparing to monitor it closely. Researchers are scrambling to get spectroscopic data, thermal profiles, and dust measurements. After that, it's gone forever, vanishing back into interstellar space. But what if it isn't? But what sets 3I/Atlas apart is its age and size. That's why every second of observation counts. What if it fragments, changes speed, or shifts its path? And where did it come from? Simulations suggest 3I/Atlas may have formed in the thick disk of the Milky Way, a region populated by some of the oldest stars in our galaxy. That would make this interstellar comet over 7 billion years old. Think about that. It may have existed long before Earth was born. We're witnessing a relic from another world, older than our solar system. It might carry clues to how life began, not just here, but anywhere. What if this is just one of many more to come? Let's get a little speculative. Telescopes in the southern hemisphere will have the best chance to observe it, but it will be near the sun at perihelion, which makes direct observation tricky. We only have a few short months to gather all the data we can. Back in 2017, when Oumuamua zipped through the solar system, some scientists, including Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, suggested it might not be a natural object at all. Now, 3I/Atlas is far more comet-like than Oumuamua. The object is expected to develop a spectacular tail as it nears the sun, a glowing signature of ice and dust sublimating off its surface. This could help determine what it's made of and how it's held together. 3I/Atlas could be natural. Why are scientists around the globe rushing to study it? Is it because they suspect something unusual? Or because this is simply a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? Either way, we should be asking, why now? Why here? What are we not being told? We're running out of time to study it. Here's the catch. 3I/Atlas is on a one-way trip. It will make its closest approach to the sun in late October 2025 and its closest approach to Earth in mid-December. And while it's exciting, it also means there's a race underway. Despite that, scientists are hopeful. Some believe this comet could teach us more about the origins of organic molecules, the building blocks of life, and even how water came to Earth. But what happens if it doesn't behave as expected? And most of all, let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.